Hello, everyone. My name is Andrew Taylor. I am the admin and creator of the Facebook group Informal Order of Checkerheads. This is a Facebook group that deals in Checker Motors products made in Kalamazoo, Michigan. Taxis, marathons, wagons, aero buses. We have always been a technical group. There's lots of checker cab videos on YouTube, but there's very little with meat, any meat in them. So, like the group, we are going to discuss and have videos of actual restoration procedures, problems that can happen to these cars from the front bumper to the back, engine, suspension, brakes, fuel system, where to source parts, how to substitute parts, what works, what doesn't. And you can also join our Facebook group at Informal Order of Checkerheads. Just do a search, and I can also put that in the comments. So, pardon us while we learn and establish a presence on YouTube and learn how it works. I'm sure I'll make a lot of mistakes. Right now, it's just me running the thing, but I knew we needed some hands on restoration videos, specifically for checkers. So, like we say in the group, Checker On, we have an archive of articles dealing with various systems. So, like I say, I will put the link in the comments of this video. Right now, we are putting a 292 Chevrolet in a 74 Checker, and as we go along, there will be videos of that. And if you have videos of this subject, we would be glad to hear them or upload them. So, Checker On, everybody.